to do another video. Welcome to another episode of ADS TV Live. I'm David Massey, we're live. We've had to go outside, somewhere really quiet. We got shouted at by an ex. She's on the phone to my dad, apparently, about something really important. Like where he's moved our stuff to, we can't find, or something like that. Or, you know, let's not go in there. Right, so listen, we're outside in Germany. You come up to Germany because it's quiet roads out here, Autobahn, no speed limits and all that jazz. Audi R8, custom software in it, pops and bangs, decarred exhaust. This thing's a bit rowdy. Check this out, you'll like this. Go. Who doesn't like that? If you don't like that, there's something wrong with you. You're ill. You want medical attention. We're going to go out now and do a test on the road. Listen to pops and bangs out on the Autobahn, where it's safe. Oh, we Scott?
Yeah, very safe. Can't wait for this.
So here we are. Guten Tag. Guten Tag, mir geht's, mein Freund. You speak German, Scott?
Oui.
Oui, madame. Right, gang. So we're in dynamic mode. Valves are open on the exhaust. We're in dynamic plus. I'll tell you what. Just standard. We're going out to prove this to the viewers because standard rev ups aren't enough. There goes another car onto the Autobahn. Are you ready, viewers? One more time.
Bridge.
Oh, bridge.
Downshift the bridge. Come on.
Round you. I think it's fair to say that pops and bangs activation's working rather well, Scott.
It's doing alright.
Wouldn't you?
It's doing alright.
This is one of our most successful tests, isn't it, Scott?
It's up there. Better than yesterday's.
Videos like this don't need me talking, don't need commentary. I don't need to waffle on about shovel burbs or blah blah blah. It sells itself. Race car, R8 race car, V10 plus with. And we're back. Anyway, we're only back so I can sign off and say, this is why we do this job. This is exactly the reason. That noise.
Jesus.
That's it. I would happily work for free if I could do this every day. Well,
I basically do.
maybe if you just paid for my dinner. Yeah? maybe if you could just pay for my lunch. Well, honestly, listen. That was the alarm going off that I'd set to remind myself to get my hair cut. Because as you can see, it's not looking good at the minute, is it?
Some attention.
It's a bit bushy. But anyway, this is David Massey reporting live for ADS TV. A very good day, everybody. I love you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.